of Gadget Pilipinas. In this video, we are going to give you guys a quick look of the new Rokid Style. So this is actually a competitor to the Ray-Ban Meta Gen 1 and Gen 2. I have here the Ray-Ban Meta Gen 2 which I bought last September, October, and we're going to give you guys a quick difference between the two. No, you would remember then last year, about 3 months ago, I actually gave you guys a quick review and also discussion about the Rokid glasses. I bought this from Rokid Philippines, and so far, this is the only AI glasses with a display here on the right that is actually working really well here in the Philippines compared to the Ray-Ban Meta display and also the Ray-Ban Meta Gen 1 and Gen 2. Medyo hindi ganon ka full-packed or fully functional yung AI non because of regional restrictions. And there are ways for you to be able to enable that, and that is of course through VPN. Pero insofar as experiencing AI, this is actually the one that has the full features that definitely would satisfy those who are actually. So ano pa hinahantay natin, let's unbox the Rokid Style. Alright, so this is now the box of the Rokid Style. Again, special thanks to Rokid Philippines for sending this over for us to feature in this channel. Later on, we're going actually to San Francisco today, and we'll be back na by March. Because we'll be attending also MWC. Pero throughout my travel, I will be giving you guys some sample photos and videos on our Instagram para kung gusto niyo makita yung mga quality ng photos and videos ito, you can actually see it there. Alright, so let's now go ahead and dito. Hey. Wow. Alright, so first, let's take a look at this one. May kasama siya na parang lalagyan, for the glasses. And then it also includes a cable, a charging cable. And it looks like the charging cable is similar with the one on the Rokid glasses. Let's go ahead and check it out. Perfect, So ibig sabihin kung meron kayong mga nabili na ng mga cable for your Rokid glasses AI, then you can actually use it, on the Rokid Style. Here naman sa taas, we have some documentations, saka yung safety and the warranty. Now the good thing about Rokid here in the Philippines is that meron silang opisina dito, So official yung kanilang distributor dito sa Pilipinas, kaya wala akong magiging problema because you know that you're actually taken care of. Get full warranty from them. So may kasama rin ito na parang extra bridge. So should you want to replace the bridge later on, it's all up to you. So yung rubber or silicone niya for the bridge. Now the good thing about this is that you can actually go to Ideal Vision at Mall of Asia if you replace yung pinaka-lens ng Rokid Style. Now, the one that we have right here, which is in this really nice origami style na box, is that this comes with a dark na glasses, You can see, it's dark. Not, kumbaga, pwede na din kahit indoors, pero syempre ako, in my case, kasi I would prefer to be wearing at least a transition lens, o kaya naman ay at least clear, But if you take a look at the difference between the Rokid Style and also the glasses, ito siya kalaki, glasses AI, at ito naman yung Rokid Style. Okay? Slightly bigger in terms of build, and in terms of design naman, hindi siya gano'n nagkakalayo. You still have the pogo pins there on the right side, right there. Can you use pogo pin charger and tapos nakasaksak sa maybe in a power bank? Yes, you can actually do it. So meron dito na parang you have to remove. Let's go ahead and remove that. Now, when I come back this Philippines. Ang unang-unang kong gagawin is I will go to Ideal Vision MOA to actually get myself a transition lens. Now, may sinabi rin sa akin si Sir Mac Yu ng Rokid Philippines that it's a pop-in lens ang tawag na dito. No? The good thing about this is that it yourself, you can just simply buy, no, maybe from Ideal Vision, at tatanggalin mo lang siya dito. Pop mo lang. I don't want to do it right now because baka magkamali ako, no? Hindi pa ako sanay. But sabi nila, it's very user replaceable. Yeah, so ito yung bridge niya. So if you want to replace it like that, it's different compared to the bridge ng glasses because this one is parang siyang merong spring, no? But this one is a little bit different. Yan siya. I like the fit of the Rokid Style. It doesn't actually move around. Tamang-tama lang siya, no? Which I like. Tapos meron design dito sa may bandang left side, which parang ridges like that. The Rokid Glasses AI does not have that kind of design. This one has. Alright. Now, again, difference ng dalawa, malaki, no? Because this one has two displays on the right, so you know that there's a UI. And then I have a video about the Rokid Glasses AI on the left side if you want to go check it out. And then dito naman, wala siyang display, but it does function like a Ray-Ban Meta with full and complete AI functions. But then again, just to let you know, this one is actually powered by here. It's a Qualcomm Snapdragon AR1, if I'm not mistaken. Yep, it's AR1 right there. No? If I'm mistaken, it's the same thing that is powering the Ray-Ban Meta glasses, which is good. No? Kasi you basically get the same chipset. No? It's very, very parang 58 grams lang yata ito, no? And anti-scratch din yung kanyang pinaka lens, no? The default lens. So again, if you buy din naman from Ideal Vision, those are actually also products, no, ng Rokid. So alam mo rin that similarly na anti-scratch, no? So I actually like it, no? Ang ganda niya. Now, this one also pairs on the same application that you use for the Rokid Glasses AI, and I'm just really so happy with this. No, I can't wait, guys, to actually show you some sample. Again, as I mentioned, I'll be bringing this with me in my travel to San Francisco and Barcelona for Unpacked and also for MWC. So I actually cannot wait to give you guys some sample photos and videos on how I am maximizing this in my travel. What I guys think the style, is this something that you would actually rock? And would you get yourself a black and have it replaced with a pop-in lens? Para naman sa ganun ay mas stylish pa siya, no? In my case, yes, I would do that. I'd probably get myself a transition clear lens. I can use it even indoors, no? As it guys, been Gian of Gadget Pilipinas. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions about the Rokid Style, be sure to drop it below. I will be answering your questions, and I will be making another video that basically answers your questions, just like what we did on Glasses AI. Again, this has been Gian. Catch you in the next one.